Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the Apple Watch here and this is the Apple Watch Series 10, Apple Series 11, and of course if you have the Ultras, it's just the same thing. Alright, got the interface is the same, and I'm going to show you to log a workout. So in order to log a workout, it will work similarly on your iPhone, but I have a separate tutorial. Go ahead and press the crown. If you want to see a summary of what's happening in your workout, go ahead and tap here. So tap on the circles icon there. It will start at the top. You can see a summary here. You can see how many calories you have burned, standing, you name it. It's all here. All right. So in order to actually log a workout, go ahead and click. You're going to tap on this green icon with action. So go ahead and tap there. You'll see a bunch of workout options. There's indoor walk. There's outdoor run. There's outdoor walk, indoor run. You see the cycling option there, and it goes through a bunch of them guys. Swimming, especially for swimming, some of these are exclusive to the watch. You can only go swimming with the watch since it's waterproof. The phone would not work for that. There is a multi-sport triathlon, hiking, elliptical, you name it, and it's all there. And there's a whole bunch of stuff guys. You can even add stuff. All right, so these are the workouts. So go ahead when you want to start a workout and simply tap or hit the play button here. And I don't want to start this now because once I click that, what's going to happen is going to start recording and it will count down. And of course, once it counts down, what's going to happen is that it's going to count down, and then you'll start doing whatever exercise and to be logged. When you want to stop it, you're going to swipe pause, or don't even pause. You can actually swipe from left to right and then hit end. So you're going to swipe left to right and then hit end. And once you hit end, what's going to happen is that it's going to end the exercise, and you can always go back here to your here, and then of course it will sum up everything here. You can scroll up and down to see the information. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. And do note that once you're exercising with the watch here, the information will appear on the dock or the island here on your phone. You'll see that both are synced and the data will transfer over. You can actually view it on the phone just the same. Let me show you. So for the phone, you can go over to fitness there. I have a separate article on this, and then workout is right here. I'm not going to go into the details, but of course I have a separate tutorial on that. And do remember that the watch is used exclusively for the swimming activities, since it can be logged that way. So I hope that was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.